Hi guys, welcome back to my page today. So I'm going to be showing you how I deep conditioned my hair with ORS hair mayonnaise. ORS hair mayonnaise contains, by the way, it's a conditioning treatment for damaged hair, for relaxed hair actually. So I used it to deep condition my hair last wash day. So you know, the thing with deep conditioning the hair is that if you start deep conditioning your hair, you notice a whole lot of difference. Number one, the texture of your hair is actually going to improve. It's not like going to change your texture, but your hair will be more manageable. If you're used to having a very strong hair, like very tough hair, you should really start deep conditioning your hair. So this is actually a protein deep conditioner. It's not just moisture, because it contains olive oil, contains egg protein, and you know, egg protein, anything that contains egg is actually said to be a protein deep conditioner. Like, it has more of protein. And again, contains herbs, contains wheat germ oil. So one thing you have to know is that while using protein deep conditioner, you should also balance it with a moisturizing deep conditioner, because adding so much protein, you can get a protein overload. And then if you're using just moisture, of course, if you have relaxed hair, you're already losing the protein in your hair when you relax your hair. So if you're using this, you also add the moisturizing deep conditioner to it, so that you get a balance. So for the deep conditioning routine, I used this protein hair mayonnaise. I used this one, and then I added the replenishing deep conditioner by ORS too. So these two, because this one is moisturizing, because it says here that it helps to increase moisture and repair damaged hair. So it's moisturizing, while this one is treatment for damaged hair, enriched with egg protein. Like I said, it's protein, and this is moisture. So adding the both of them together will give you the protein moisture balance that you need for your hair. So see the full details in the video so that you understand what I mean better. The ORS replenishing conditioner is a moisturizing conditioner. So I mix it with the ORS hair mayonnaise. The hair mayonnaise is a protein deep conditioner. So you see, it's very thick, and the little really does a lot. So I mix both of them together when I want to deep condition, and then I add my oil mixture containing castor oil, coconut oil, and almond oil. So I add the three of them together, and then I mix thoroughly to form this paste. So once I have this, I just dry my hair a little with my cotton material. Then I part into different sections. This after washing, after shampoo and rinsing of the shampoo. I just dry it off a bit, and then I deep condition. I part the hair into different sections, sometimes 4, sometimes 6. So I part, and each part I apply this mixture to it, from the roots to the tips, and then making sure I pay attention to the tips, because that's the oldest part of the hair and it gets very weak with time. So after applying that, I also apply to all the other parts. You see, make sure you apply even to the insides of your hair, because if you're not careful, you end up deconditioning the surface from your hair, like just the outside part of the hair. You forget that there are some parts inside your hair. When you do decondition on the surface, you will not get the good result you want from it. So each part that I apply this mixture to, I put it into braids, like twists. So just like this one, after applying it and detangling in the process of applying it. When you apply it, just don't apply it and then put. As you're applying it, make sure to detangle along the line, because the essence of this deep conditioning is to make your hair easy to manage. Then I'll also detangle too. You're able to detangle while you're deep conditioning, so that your hair, when you rinse out the deep conditioner, it won't be dry and frizzy. That's another reason why you put oil into the deep conditioner.
It makes your hair easy to manage and it makes it still moisturized even after rinsing off the deep conditioner, because when you rinse it off when you deep condition without foam, you find out that your hair will become, like when you rinse out the deep conditioner, it becomes very dry. You understand? Even if you don't apply any of that after rinsing it, then it's going to be very dry. But with this now, even after rinsing all this and I don't apply anything at the moment, maybe I want to wait a little more, so the hair will not remain dry. It will still be moisturized because of the oil. So that's the last part. Of course, you know the back of the hair is usually very thin, so you also make sure to apply enough of the moisture to the back of it, like the nape of the hair. So apply and moisturize properly and then twist the hair. That's when I'm gonna apply this, I'm putting the moisture on the hair, like finish it up on my hair, apply on all the places, my edges, apply more on the tips, and then so that's it. So blend everything together, and then I'm going my plastic cap. This applies heat to the conditioner since I'm using it for steaming.
So that's it, guys. The full deep conditioning routine with this olive oil replenishing conditioner and the protein conditioner, egg protein conditioner. So see you in my next video.